Okay, what is up, guys? I'm so excited today. Today is a $100 challenge in Adopt Me. I'm so hyped. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have 10,001 Robux, which is like a really a lot. Now, let's get into this video, guys. It's loading. It's loading. Oh my god. I'm so hyped right now. Also, further information, I'll be spending 2,000 Robux on bees to try to get a king bee or a queen bee, and 2,000 Robux on the penguins. So, oh yeah, so you can get so I might get a golden penguin, and then the rest we'll do for egg openings. Also, they're all are gonna be the Aussie egg, and if there's like some left, I might not spend it at all. Okay, guys. As you can see, my Roblox avatar is still loading, and my name is No Name. It's pretty funny, yeah? Okay, guys. Let's see. First, let's start with the bees. Okay. If my avatar is kind of creepy, guys, let me know. Let's see. Okay, let's head on over to the coffee shop so that we can actually get the king bees and queen bees. Have a chance, at least. Have a chance. Some honey, then let's throw it. Oh, we got a regular bee, but that's okay. We still have 2,000 more to spend. Okay, guys, ignore my dog growling in the distance. Now let's see. Oh, it's another normal bee, but that's okay. Also, I'm doing a bee giveaway, guys. Whoever enters the giveaway will have a chance to try to get a bee. Okay, we got another bee. Okay, what you have to do for the shout out, I mean for the giveaway is at least like and subscribe, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and turn the bell gray with all notifications on so you never miss another video. Also, if you win the giveaway, be sure to check on this video every day, as I might message you on YouTube and let you know that you have won the giveaway. I'm beginning to sense a pattern here. Oh my god. This is a lot of bees. Let's throw this. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got another normal bee. I'm getting a lot of bees. Okay, now after we spend the 2,000, we will do the penguins. Okay, let me just check the price to see if I have enough. Let's see if I have enough. Yeah, I'll have enough. Okay, guys, just one more, and then we'll do, and then we'll do the penguins. We still have some left. Let's see what we get. Let's Oh, the king bee is really close. The king bee is oh my god! Guys! I got the queen bee! Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Pray to God, guys, for this awesome discovery. Oh my god. I'm still in shock. I got the queen. Oh my god, my voice is fading right now. Okay, we still have more left. Okay, now after this, we'll do the penguins, guys. Okay, another regular bee, but that's okay because we got the queen bee. This one is so epic. Anyways, thank you so much, Adopt Me, for giving me enough luck to win a queen bee. Oh my god. Oh wait. Oh, oops, I actually went out. Oh wait, never mind. Oh wait. Yes. Wait. Okay, it's done. Now let's buy some golden goldfishes. Oh my god. Did you see what happened when I actually got the queen bee? I'm like, oh my god and stuff. Okay. Let's see what I get. Oh, the golden penguin stuck in place. How funny. Okay, a normal penguin. That's okay though, because we still have 2,000 Robux to spend. God, if I get a golden penguin, I'm legit going to scream if I get the golden penguin. Oh my god. For some reason, the golden penguin is always the last one. Oh. Well, this is a shortcut. No, let's do that. Let's throw that. Okay, we got another normal penguin. Oops. Just fix that, fix that. Thanks for helping, Dad. Okay. Let's buy a golden goldfish. And let's see. Okay. Let's see what we get. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's oh my god. Oh, it was a normal penguin. My heart almost stopped for a second. I'm like, the golden penguin's so close and stuff. Huh. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's almost up. Let's see if we have the amount. Yeah, guys, I spent the 2,000. Now, let's spend the other to get the eggs. Now, let's 5,000. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you see that? My balance just skyrocketed. That was pretty cool, guys. Okay. Go to pets. OMG. The queen bee, guys. I'm so happy I got the queen bee. Let's see what we'll get. Let's first buy the Aussie egg. First Aussie egg. Give me luck, guys. Give me luck, guys. Please give me luck. Let's see what I get. Ooh, a dingo. We might have enough to make a bunch of neons, guys. Let's see. Let's hatch this. Let's see what we get. I think the dingoes want us to keep buying them. That's pretty funny. Okay, guys. Let's buy this. Yay, a frog! Cool. I'm actually gonna try and help my friend make a neon. Ooh, a kelpie. Nice. Let's see what we get. Hatch this. I'll hatch this now. Funny thing, because like almost every single egg except the ooh, another frog. Nice. The funny thing is like almost every single egg except the farm egg, I mean not the farm egg, except the jungle egg, actually have like a certain pet theme. The funny thing about the farm egg is it represents, oh my god, we are getting so much frogs, guys. So back to what I was talking about, the cow actually represented a rare pet. However, the other ones, except the jungle egg, represented a legendary pet, which is pretty weird. Maybe Adopt Me changed their mind, maybe. Ooh, a bandicoot. Let's see. Now, the only pets we are missing, I think, is the emu, the koala, the turtle, and the kangaroo. I actually have a neon emu, guys. Let's see. Another bandicoot. Let's try this. Oh my god, our supply is going down fast. I really, really hope I get ooh, an emu! Now we're just missing 3 pets. Ooh, another bandicoot. Now let's try this. Oh my god, our supply is going down fast, guys. Let's see if we get a turtle. Let's see if we get a turtle or okay, another dingo. Oh my god. On the final eggs, Adopt Me, please wish me luck. Please wish me luck. Okay, we got another bandicoot. Okay, the final egg. Please help me get a kangaroo or turtle or koala. Ooh, an emu. Okay, guys, I might have enough for a little more. Yep, enough for a little more. 400 Aussie eggs. Okay, guys. Ooh, I have enough for a kitsune. Okay. Oh, never mind. We have to hatch the eggs. Another bandicoot. Let's see. Guys, wish me luck on the final eggs, guys, okay? I really, really hope I get a turtle or a kangaroo. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we got an emu. All my fingers crossed. I'm crossing my fingers even though I'm doing the keyboard. That's how much I really, really want a kangaroo or a turtle. Still crossing my fingers, guys. Ooh, a koala! We only have like 1 more left. I mean, two more pets left. Guys, this is the final egg. Oh, a dingo. Okay, guys, we did not get the turtle or kangaroo today, but still, that was an awesome opening, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget, like and subscribe to turn on all the notifications, which means make the bell gray and like the video, guys. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget, like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, and turn the bell gray with all notifications on so you never miss another video. Bye, guys.